Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to solve first PUC Computer Science lab programs, second HTML program. Create a model website for your college making use of different tags. Let us close this window and open a notepad and let us save this particular file. Click on file and click on save. Here I'm going to save this particular file as lab2.html and I'm going to save this file on desktop. Click on save and here you can see we have got the browser icon. So I'm going to double click on this and open the browser window. So in a notepad, I'm going to type HTML tags. Here I'm going to type HTML and now I'm going to type head. Under head we have got title tag. Now I'm going to type PU department. This particular text will appear at the title bar of the browser window. Closing the title using forward slash, closing of head tag using forward slash. Now once again I'm going to save this by pressing Ctrl S and now refresh the browser. Here you can see at the title bar we got PU department. Let us write the body tag. Here I'm going to write body tag. Under body tag I'm going to write H1 tag, that is header 1. Now I'm going to align this to the center using center tag. Here I'm going to write my college and now I'm going to close the center tag and then closing of H1 tag. Once again I'm going to press Ctrl S to save the file and refresh the browser. Here you can see my college has displayed with a bigger font size. Now I'm going to go for writing paragraph using p tag and I want a little bit smaller header. So I'm going to take H3 and align it to the center using center tag. Now I'm going to write some text. Most prestigious institutions in Karnataka. So after this, I would like to have break. So I'm going to write BR and then I'm going to write has pioneer in the field of education for many years, excellency, then break in imparting quality knowledge. So close the center tag, then closing of H3 tag, then closing of P tag. Press Ctrl S and refresh here. So you can see we got header 3 paragraph and center aligned text. After this, I'm going to write one more paragraph aligned to center using center tag. Now I'm going to write courses offered here includes and I want break here. So I'm going to use break and now I'll continue science, then break statement. After this break, I'm going to write commerce, break tag, and now I'm going to write arts courses. then close the center tag, and then close the paragraph tag using forward slash. Now I'm going to close the body tag, forward slash body. Next, I have to close HTML tag. Press Ctrl S and refresh. Here you can see we have got the next text. So I want to have a text that scrolls. So after body, I'm going to use one tag called marquee. And here we have got a property called direction is equal to. So you can use left, right, top, bottom. Here I'm going to use left because I want to scroll the text from the left hand side. So now I'm going to write here admissions for the eligible students. Close the marquee tag and again press Ctrl S and click on refresh in the browser. Here you can see this particular text is continuously scrolling from the left. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. Thank you.